Great stay, good room, amazing residence, fantastic pool. Mixed. Some good and bad bits. My instructions about how to collect the key were vague. Luckily I have stayed here before and knew how to get through the front door to get the key. Then, when I got to the room, neither of the remotes would work to turn on the aircon, so I had to go out and buy new batteries. Later I found the TV remote needed new batteries too. On the good side, the place is great to stay, wonderful pool. Unfortunately, the main equipment in the fitness suite is broken, and has been for over 1 month, apparently. The management are not in a hurry to fix it apparently. The room is great, comfortable bed and has everything required. I would recommend this place. Make sure you have transport though, because it is about 20 to 25 minutes walk to the beach and alternative transport. Beautiful huge pool, the futon is a sofa and don't expect to sleep if you're taller than 180 centimeters. Otherwise nice.